Landscaping design is the art and science of enhancing outdoor spaces to create visually appealing, functional, and sustainable environments. It involves the strategic arrangement of natural and artificial elements like plants, trees, shrubs, pathways, patios, lighting, and water features to achieve a harmonious balance. A successful landscaping design considers the site's natural topography, soil quality, climate, and the purpose of the space, whether it's for relaxation, entertainment, or enhancing property value. Designers often integrate native plants to complement the environment and minimize maintenance while incorporating innovative ideas such as vertical gardens, eco-friendly materials, and irrigation systems to conserve water. Additionally, landscaping emphasizes the seamless blend of aesthetics and usability. For instance, creating shaded seating areas, well-lit walkways, and lush greenery can transform a simple yard into a tranquil retreat. Proper landscaping not only boosts curb appeal, but also supports biodiversity, reduces urban heat, and fosters an inviting atmosphere for homeowners and visitors alike.